Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to provide a quick solution to seamlessly navigate into your study area whenever you want to download satellite images from the USGS Earth Explorer. So I was working on the land surface temperature of a region. However, it gets to a stage whereby I have to download for previous years from the USGS Earth Explorer. However, I found out that there are some changes that have been done on the website lately. Initially, if you check the video under the description where I showed how to download Landsat imagery from this website, you will find out that the administrative boundaries of each countries, each regions across the world was showing. However, currently now the boundary is no more showing on the website, the administrative boundary. So it's quite difficult for people, users, to navigate to their study area. So this is the layer options here. Alright, if I change it to any layer at all, you will see that the administrative boundary is still not showing. So the only layer is the first layer, and it is only showing the administrative boundary of countries, that is country to country. However, within the country, you are not going to see the administrative boundary for the states and local government as it was showing some years back. All right, so I don't know if you have a other method that can actually pop up the administrative boundary on the website. You can do it to email me or join my WhatsApp platform, or you can drop your idea under the comment section for that. However, I want to show everyone on the quickest way to navigate your study area whenever it is confusing to navigate. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, you need to come to your Google Earth Pro. Alright, so Google Earth Pro has all administrative boundary, both for countries, for states within the countries, for even local governments, and it's much more easy to navigate. All right, so I want to download or navigate to a particular study area in Osogbo, all right, which is Osun State in Nigeria. So you can also see this is the administrative boundary for the state, which is Osun State. It's kind of easier to delineate because I'm familiar with that area. And Osogbo on its own too has its own administrative boundary. All right, so I just want to download for Osogbo local government. All right, so I won't need to be stressing. Okay, I won't need to be stressing. I can equally download for the whole of the state or for the whole of the local government. So this is how I go about it. I just need to polygonize the study area of my interest. So this is how I go about it. I will just come to the polygon, that is the add polygon tool. I will click on that, then I will target my study area, which is Osogbo in this case. Alright, so when I do that, the only thing I'll just need to do, I can go beyond the local government itself, since I'm just trying to use it to navigate to the study area. So I'll just polygonize it. Alright, so this polygon has covered the whole of Osogbo. Do we get that? Then I'll just make it to be outlined so that I can see through if truly it has covered the whole of the local government. So there's no how this polygon has covered the whole of the Osogbo local government in Osun State. Then I'll just click on OK. So under my layer here, I will right click on the Osogbo polygon. Alright, then click on save as. So there's a need for you to save it as KML. Alright, the KML. So I'll just change it to KML, so it's kind of easy this way. Then click on save. So I have saved this area, this polygon that covered my study area with it in a KML format. So I'll just minimize, then come to the USGS Earth Explorer. So on the USGS Earth Explorer, if I want to do it manually, you see, it will be so difficult for me to know which area is the Osogbo itself. So you see, so cumbersome and frustrating. So you just come to KML stroke shapefile upload. Alright, you click on that. So it's already on KML/KMZ. So it can actually read any format at all. Then you check on the KML/KMZ, then you click on select file. Then you just navigate to the folder where you saved your KML. So I have it under my YouTube, and this is Osogbo here. Okay, then you click on open. So it is going to load automatically, and you can see uploaded. Then just click on close. So you see, guys, it has lead me to the study area. Okay, and this is Osogbo here. If I zoom in it will become more clearer. Just make sure that your system is connected to an active internet. So guys, you see, so that is how I easily navigate to my study area whenever I want to download, satellite images from USGS Earth Explorer. So I can just navigate, then reduce my cloud cover. If I'm downloading for Landsat or SRTM, alright, I'll just reduce that, come to datasets, then if it is Landsat, I'll navigate to the Landsat of interest. If it is SRTM, I'll come to the G22 elevation, then change it to SRTM 1 arc-second, then click on results. So automatically it is going to bring out options for for my study area. So you can see this is my study area, so I can just download because it has already dictates where my coordinates based on my search criteria. So you see, so that's just the easier way to download Landsat or any satellite imagery navigating to that study area from the USGS Earth Explorer. If you find this video helpful and informative, you can do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.